Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life of Happiness. Welcome you all once again. So as we meet again, I would like to bring forth one more instance, one more incident, one more way, one more method on how to remain happy in our day-to-day life. So friends, as in my earlier videos I had said that we need to remove the baggages of our mind. We need to remove the thoughts of our mind, and we have to think in such a way that you will be surprised to know that happiness is always there within us, and we always keep on searching it out in the outside world. Whenever we try to attach our happiness to a particular source, say, today I will get this much money, I will be happy. Today I will get good marks, I will be happy. Today my boss doesn't shout on me, I will be happy. Today I succeed in doing some experiment, yes, I am happy. So whenever we try to attach our happiness to some source, then definitely there is a high degree that in case if we don't get that money, in case if the boss shouts at us, in case if I fail in that experiment, then definitely that source is not there, and then we become unhappy. So I would like to press upon the point that if we try to attach a happiness to any sort of a materialistic thing related to this world, definitely it will happen that many a times we may not get it and we may feel unhappy. Instead of this, if we try to attach our happiness to the process of doing things, to the way of living life, then definitely happiness will be ours. We always run after, you know, to have a high standard of living. Why don't we think this way? Instead of having a high standard of living, can I have a living with high standards, with high morals, with high virtues, with high values? If I succeed in doing so, then definitely I will always remain happy. I would like to tell you a small story about two women and a beggar, and you will see that how happiness cannot be attached to any materialistic thing. There was once this rich lady, and she was quite a good lady. She had all the money, she had all the wealth and everything. So one day she told to her husband that see, 2 or 3 years have passed, and we have all the same utensils in the kitchen that we are using. Anybody who comes to our house, we serve them with the plates and dishes and crockery and everything, which is of the same one which we were using to do 2 years back. Can we buy something new? He said, okay, if you want, buy it. What she did, she changed all the utensils of the house. Now this lady had a servant who was working with her. So she told the servant, see, if you want something from this, you can take it. The servant said, yes, I would just want a metal pot. I don't have a metal pot at my home, and whatever I am having, that is old one. So can you give me this? She said, okay, take it, no problem. As it is, I've got everything new, so you can take it. So that lady, the worker, the maid servant, she happily took that pot and she went home. Now, at her home, whatever the pot which she was using, the utensil which she was using was a cracked one. So she was very happy that okay, chalo, I got a good pot which is not a cracked one. Now, when she was doing all her household work at home, suddenly a beggar came at her place and he asked for some water. She came out to give water to the beggar, and she saw that the beggar was having one small vessel in his hand, a small cup sort of a thing, which was quite broken, which was leaking and everything. So she said, okay, Baba, if you want something, I'll give you water, no problem, I'm giving you water. Along with water, she also gave him the old pot which she was having, the cracked one, which was having a small crack. She gave it to him. This old person got very, very happy. This beggar was very happy. Now from this story, if you see, today the old beggar was happy because his broken earthenware was replaced by a metal pot which was okay, slightly cracked, but yes, it was a good one. The maid servant was happy today because her vessels were replaced by the old vessels of the rich woman. So if you see, that same pot which was a source of unhappiness to the rich lady became the source of happiness to her servant, and that same broken leaking pot which was there with the maid earlier became the source of happiness to the beggar. So in this story we understand that if we try to attach our happiness to any materialistic thing, we may not end up getting happiness, because that is happiness is basically a frame of mind and how we look at the things. The same things which were the source of unhappiness to one person became a source of excitement and rejoicement to the other person. So this is what, friends, I want to press upon, that please do not attach your happiness to materialistic things. Try to remain happy in what you are doing, in how you are doing, how you are speaking to others. Hopefully not try to hurt anybody by anything, by thoughts, deeds, actions, words, and always trying to remain grounded to the roots, and always try to aim higher in your life. Live happy, live with good values, live with good virtues, and live with good standards. Rather than trying to raise the standard of living, try to raise the standards by improving your thoughts. So this is what I wanted to tell you, friends, today. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and please subscribe to my channel, Life of Happiness. Thank you. Let's meet again after some time. Thank you so much.